Dear students, as we are studying the straight line method of charging the depreciation. Now today one more question we will solve in which the two machineries are sold in between the period. That is question number 8. We are going to solve it. That is Bhushan and Company purchased machinery on 1st April 2015 for rupees 54,000 and spent rupees 6,000 on its installation. And on 1st December 2016, it purchased another machinery for 30,000. On 30th June 2017, the first machine purchased on 1st April 15 is sold for rupees 36,000. And on the same date, it purchased a new machinery for rupees 80,000. On December 1st, 2018, the second machinery purchased on December 1st, 2016 was also sold for 26,000. Depreciation was provided on machinery at the rate of 10% per annum on original cost method annually on 31st March. Give the machinery account for 4 years. Now see how to solve this question. The very first machine is purchased on 1st April 2015. 1st April to bank. It is 54,000 plus installation. It is the installation expenses included in the machinery cost. Installation 6,000. Total machinery cost is 60,000 rupees. And closes on 31st December 2016. Then on 2016, 31st March, depreciation will be charged at the rate of 10% per annum. 2016, 31st March by depreciation. On 60,000 at the rate of 10% for the whole year, 6,000 rupees will be charged. Depreciation. By balance carried down on the same date, that is 31st March, it's 54,000. Total is 60,000. Then on 1st April 2016, to balance brought down 54,000. It is first machinery. Then on 31st December 2016, that is 1st December 2016. 1st December 2016. To bank second machinery purchased. That is for rupees 30,000. 30,000. On 31st March 17. By depreciation. First machine 6,000 fixed amount, but second machine in this year, see the working note, depreciation on second machinery, that is from December to 31st March on 30,000 rupees at the rate of 10% per annum for 4 months. It's 1,000 rupees. 1,000. Total 7,000 depreciation in the year 2016. By balance carried down first machine and second machine. From 54,000, deduct the 6,000, 48,000 rupees, and this is 29,000 rupees. 77,000 rupees is the balance at the end of the 31st March 2017. total 84,000. 84,000. Now see, 1st April 2017, it's brought down to balance, brought down first machine and second machine, 48,000 and 29,000, total 77. It is given. Then on 30th June 2017, the first machine purchased on 1st April 2015, when this machine have been sold on 30th June 2017 for rupees 36,000. 30th June 2017 by bank, 36,000. Now see how much depreciation will be charged from 1st April to 30th June on the first machinery. Then after we will ascertain the profit or loss on it. See the working note. Working note, depreciation on first machine sold on 30th June 2017, that is on 60,000 at the rate of 10% for 3 months, April, May and June. 1,500. It is the depreciation, 1,500. So up to 30th June, by depreciation 1,500. Now see the profit or loss on it. Book value of first machine on 1st April 2017 is rupees 48,000 less depreciation up to 30th June 2017, 1,500, balance 46,500 less sale price, sale proceeds rupees 36,000. Mean the book value on 30th June 2017 is 46,500, which is sold for 36,000. The business is suffering a loss of 10,500. We'll write here by profit and loss account 10,500. The first machine is gone. Now on the same date, on 30th June 2017, one more machine was purchased to bank 80,000 rupees. This is third machinery purchased for 80,000 rupees. Now charge the depreciation on it. Depreciation, by depreciation on 31st March 2018, second machine and third machine. Only these two machines are remain. First machine is gone. The second machine original cost is 30,000, 10%, 3,000 rupees. And the third machine was purchased for 80,000 rupees on 30th June. See it. Depreciation on third machinery. Depreciation on third machinery for 2017-18, that is from 30th June 2017 to 31st March 2018, 80,000 at the rate of 10% per annum for 9 months. June 30th June, July, August, September to 31st July to 31st March, 9 months. 6,000 rupees. This is 6,000. ₹9,000. Now balance will remain. See this balance at the end of the third year. By balance carried down. Second machine and third machine. Second machine 29,000 minus 3,000, 26,000, and 80,000 minus 6,000, 74,000. Total 1 lakh remains in hand. The balance of machinery. Close this account. 1,57,000, and this is also $1,57,000. On 1st April 2018, this was 31st March 2018, to balance brought down. Second machinery 26,000 and third machinery 74,000. Total 1 lakh. Now it is said in the question, on December 1st 2018, second machine which was purchased on 1st December 2016 sold for rupees 26,000. 1st December 2018, by bank, which machine sold? Second machine sold. Second I am writing here. First machine 26,000. Up to 1st December, depreciation will be charged from 1st April. 1st December, by depreciation on this machinery, it is, what I am arranging the upside. Body note. 1st December 18, second machine sold. Depreciation on second machine from 1st April 2018 to 1st December 2018. That is for April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 8 months. It was for rupees 30,000. 10% for 8 months. ₹2,000. Depreciation will be charged for 2,000 rupees. Now see it. Book value of second machine on 1st April 2018, rupees 26,000 less depreciation up to 1st December 2018, 2000, 24,000, less sale proceed, and the sales proceed is 26,000. So this is gain on sale of the second machinery. We will write here assets account debit to profit loss account, to profit loss account 2,000. Second machinery is gone. Now second machinery is gone. Now only third machine is in hand, on which depreciation will be charged 31st March 2019 by depreciation on third machine. Third machine is 80,000 original cost. 10% on it is 8,000. Now balance carried down. Only third machine is remaining. 74,000 minus 8,000. This is 66,000. Total it. One lakh 2,000. 1,02,000. And same balance at the end of 2019, 31st March, will be brought down on 1st April 2020, and the third machine remains. Balance carried, balance brought down. When? On 1st April 2019. So this is the way of presenting this depreciation account, as well as the working note you have to present it. Ascertaining the profit or loss or the sale proceed of the asset. The several machines have been purchased and sold out. 3 machines were purchased and 2 machinery sold out. And then after, the machinery account have been presented. And we will present the depreciation account in the same manner. Now it is do more practice on it. Then after you will learn how to solve it, how to present it, and how to calculate the depreciation. Now next we will study the method, second method, that is diminishing balance method. The journal entries are same, way of preparing the account is same, but the calculation is different in the diminishing balance method. The next class we will study how to charge depreciation under the diminishing balance method. Now do more practice on it. Have a good day. Thank you.